Welcome to our YouTube video introducing the online grading system with grade viewing in PHP, MySQL, and Bootstrap, bar chart, teacher. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the realm of education technology, showcasing a robust system designed to streamline the grading process and enhance communication between teachers and students. Join us as we explore the key features and functionalities of this innovative system, from entering and calculating grades to providing students with secure access to view their performance. Whether you're an educator looking to optimize grading workflows or a developer eager to harness the power of PHP, MySQL, and Bootstrap, this tutorial is for you. Throughout the video, we'll provide step-by-step guidance on setting up and customizing the online grading system to suit your specific needs. From configuring user roles and permissions to designing a user-friendly interface, we'll cover it all. So, grab your laptops and let's embark on this educational journey together. By leveraging the latest web technologies, we can create a more efficient and transparent grading process that empowers both teachers and students. Online grading system with grade viewing is a database-driven system that will automate the processes in calculating, releasing and viewing of grades. Advantages of the online grading system with grade viewing are the following. 1. Automated processing and releasing of grades. The system will enable the faculties to electronically process, manage, submit and release the grades of the students' grades. 2. Records management. It is a database system which makes the records electronic, safe, accurate, reliable and fast. 3. Automated grade viewing. The system will allow the students to view their grades electronically. 1. The Capstone Project online grading system with grade viewing is a system that allows faculties and students to electronically process and view grades respectively. The system will serve as an online platform to be utilized in doing students' grade-related transactions. 2. This article will provide you with an idea on what are the forms to be included in an online grading system with grade viewing. PHP and Bootstrap were used to develop the said template. Watch the video on how to use the project. Thank you so much for watching our video on the online grading system with grade viewing in PHP, MySQL, and Bootstrap, bar chart, teacher. We're incredibly grateful for your time and interest in exploring how technology can transform the education landscape, making grading processes more efficient and transparent for both educators and students. We hope this demonstration has provided valuable insights into the capabilities of the online grading system, and how it can streamline grading workflows while providing students with easy access to their performance data. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. If you found the content informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on education technology and web development. Once again, thank you for being part of this journey. If you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions for future topics, please don't hesitate to reach out. We value your input and are committed to creating content that meets your needs and interests. Wishing you success and efficiency in all your grading endeavors, Rocket, bar chart. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon.